Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is WASSCE year 2019 Literature in English. Question number 36. So we are to use this quotation to answer question number 36 as we did in question number 35 and so on and so forth. Then the question says the speaker and the address are dash. That is, we are referring to two speakers here or two figures. We have to talk of two persons in this content. A. Ludovico. B. Clon and Ludovico. C. Lago and Roderigo. D. Lago and Clon. The correct option here is option C. The two persons we are talking about is Lago and Roderigo. So both of them are ancient enemy to Othello. Remember that Othello was the protagonist of the play or text. Thank you and God bless you.